Hey, what's up Tron holders? So this is live price prediction of Tron. You watching ABS Tech channel. Please click the subscribe button if you are new on this channel. I hope you subscribe this channel if you need this type more informative and very important brand videos. So let's get started this Tron price prediction. Please subscribe. Please click the subscribe button. Okay brothers, please subscribe. Oh my goodness, I can't believe this. I love Tron holder. You can see here the Tron holder this time the last 24-hour result as in positive. Wow, congratulations brother. I think Tron going jumping. I think if you can see here this time very they're starting dump totally in a few days before a few days. Okay, because this is start of month and every cryptocurrencies as those days go down. You can see it this time also they taking a dump, so very fastly they take a dump. But and this time at the mid of this month you can see here at the mid of this day you can see here they totally change, they're going up like a rocket. You can see here they're totally gone up, and I hope in upcoming days they can cross $1. What you say, can they can cross $1? The latest price is 0.1224 US dollar as the latest price you can see here, and the chant is 3.23%. so this is a very good for Tron holder brothers. Congratulations, I am very happy, I'm very excited to see this latest situation. Okay, so you can let's check out the last 1 hour result to what's going on in the last 1 hour result. I think this is absolutely buying time. What you said, this is buying time? Please tell me. Okay, oh, this is very bad. You can see here that totally goes down in the last 1 hour, but I think in the last 30 minutes they're starting again dumping. You can see jumping, sorry, they're starting again jumping, and I hope this is the mid of this day. Okay, so I hope at the end of this day they easily change it and positive. Okay, this is the, you can see here the chant is minus 2.39%. absolutely very bad my brother, but I hope at the end of this month they make you a millionaire, they give you a very good profit. What you say, can they make you a millionaire? What's your opinion? Please share it in the comment box. My expectation is very good from Tron. Tron is very fastest cryptocurrency, everybody knows this. Thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoy this video. If you need this type more informative latest videos, news, etc., then please subscribe this channel for latest video and press the bell icon for videos notification.